Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, had the curse. I ngingalile ngisathatha break until lempile iphela. But I thought I should give you a quick update on what's going on, right? Unokubonga made an attempt to make sure ukuthi the relationship between uNomkhosi and Nomafu is mended. Ugo tried wabahlanganisa and stuff. Sekabahlanganisile ke busa hayi uNomkhosi watshela uNomafu lokho angakudlanga nalokho akudlile. Ngithi wamtshela ukuthi wena uyantenga mazenga. Hey, when this and that, what makes you think ukuthi you qualify to be umkhululi, umamkhululi, untenga, impilo yakho nje on the thread. Guys, wamutshela zonke. It's like uNomkhosi was shocked. uNomkhosi wabona ukuthi ayingcono dissolve, so wambiza futhi for second round ukuthi hayi mhlambe uza ucabanga ngenye indlela uGellings being uNomkhosi ushintshile. uNomkhosi akanandaba nomunye umuntu. uNomkhosi just says things that like it's bad, it's literally bad. uManzimande because uyabona ukuthi indlu yakhe nje umuzi wakhe uyashabalala, aqeleke uSifociya ukuthi uSifociya athathe ajoyine ibandla likaKhulekani. Hayi uSifociya angayivumi shem, ayihale nje straight athi angeke mina I believe kuZamcolo and Zamcolo alone. Leyo ukuthi ngiyobetray uZamcolo I cannot do it. Amcele lokuthi but you'll be protecting uKhulekani at the same time nani. Ayivele uSifociya ke ayothi ufanelwe. Nakhona makaya ayothi ufanelwe ubhaqwa ubani? Ubhaqwa uPhakathwayo. uPhakathwayo ayofunani kuKhulekani? Uma Mzobe phela waba yi-headless chicken, ufuna iposition, afuna iposition yomkhandlo, bangamnika. uNdlovu angamnika amtshela ukuthi hamba uyokhuluma noNomkhosi uthola ukuthi kubo mama ungayenzani. uNomkhosi kuyamtshela ukuthi kubo mama right covered sinje simnandi. Into eshoda ngayo nje ukuthi indoda maybe nemoto izokwazi ukuthi irun ama-errands. At this point we don't have a car. Mamzobe thathiyani imoto ayithengele uPhakathwayo, nikeliyani ngayo. uPhakathwayo mabhekana nemoto ayikho, sekubizwe amaphoyisa. Mamzobe confesses. Hayi uPhakathwayo yabona ukuthi ngiyayilanda. Makayilanda laphana sathatha uKhulekani noNdlovu angene uSifociya ke athini ufanelwe. Hayi, things are not going well. My dreams kaMsuthu are not being interpreted. But uMsuthu into ayibonile igazi eligqwele ethempeleni lenkosi. Hayi awara mana atshela umkakhe, atshela umkhandlo. He's just worried. Buza ke kule Sunday or kule Sabat labo la mele kube nenkonzo. Hayi uKhulekani ibandla lakhe liqale le show off, linganiki ilakaZamcolo ichance yokushumayela nani. Hayi kusukunywe kube nekuhilisana ekuhilisaneni buza ukuthi kulimala abani? Kulimala umntana kaNdlovu. Umntana kaNdlovu kube huye ke igazi lakhe lichithekayo. The sad part is that lichitheka kaso igazi lakhe sekana something noGabisile. uGabisile sebayashelana, uGabisile sekamthandile, uGabisile sekamthole esidate to i-matric dance. Ngithi uGabisile nje has lost. But ke will this make uKhulekani to come and sit down noZamcolo and find ways to say okay fine, I still believe ukuthi ngibiziwe as uKhulekani Mthembu, I still feel ukuthi ngumkhululi, but this is how we are going to do things going forward? Or uzovele nje abe yilento ayiyo ikhanda liqine and then kungabi ne resolution or ne way forward ezoba beneficial to all the church members. Hayi le ilihanyani badge star nelihanyani the bed, the way ngibona ngakhona. Will they separate like that and live in harmony, or will they continue in one space and forever be in conflict? This is your girl, Disebo D. I miss you and I love you. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.